Hello everyone, welcome back to the Guru Virtual Academy. I'm extremely delighted to meet you people through this platform. In last class, what did we discuss? We saw about how to classify polynomials according to their degree, what are numerical coefficients and how to find out them. And in today's class, let us learn about zero of polynomial. So chapter 2, class 9 NCERT syllabus. Before getting into this, let us understand the term zero of a polynomial. So what is zero of a polynomial? For a polynomial of expression, let us take p of x is equal to x plus a. Now, for what value of x this entire polynomial expression becomes 0. So that particular value of x becomes a 0 of a polynomial. So I repeat, for what value of x the entire polynomial expression becomes 0. So that particular x value is called as 0 of a polynomial. So let us understand more clearly with the help of an example. So let us take p of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. So usually these kind of questions are solved by using trial and error method. So where we consider so many values for x to derive in a particular x value. So always we start with the x value as 1. Here I assume my x to be 1. So now p of 1 is equal to. Now substitute the value of 1 in the polynomial expression. So 1 the whole square minus 3 into 1 plus 2. So 1 minus 3 plus 2. So this is what we get after substituting the value of 1 in place of x. So minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. So p of 1 is equal to 0. So my value of 1 is the 0 of polynomial for this particular expression. So for what value of x the entire particular expression becomes 0 is called as 0 of a polynomial. So over this expression, when I substitute the value of 1 in place of x, my polynomial turns out to be 0. So therefore 0 of polynomial p of x is 1. So this is how we write the value. So x is 2.2, first Roman letter. Find the value of polynomial. So here you have to find the value of polynomial where our x value is already given over here. So we have to just substitute it in the place of x in the given polynomial and we have to just find the resultant value. So p of 0. So you will start from substituting the value over here. Okay, so p of 0 is equal to 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 the whole square plus 3. So any number into 0 will give you 0. So 0 minus 0 plus 3. So answer will be 3. So p of 0, the value of the polynomial when the x value is 0 is 3. So this is how we will find the value of polynomial. We will just substitute the given x value in the polynomial expression and we will find out the value. So next question, verify whether the following are the zeros of the polynomial. So here also, like the previous question, they have given you the x value, but instead of finding the value, you have to check whether the given x is a 0 of the polynomial, which means you have to substitute the given x value in the expression, and if your result is 0, then the given value is a 0 of the polynomial. If not, it is not the 0 of the polynomial. So now let us learn how to solve this kind of a question. So this is my first subdivision. P of x is equal to 3x plus 1, where your x value is minus 1 by 3. So now let us substitute the x value in the given expression. So p of minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. So since it's in the multiplication, this 3 and this 3 can be cancelled. So minus 1 plus 1, which is nothing but 0. So therefore, P of minus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to is the 0 of the polynomial. So since we have got the resultant to be 0, x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. So now let us look into the second subdivision. P of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1 by root 3. So P of 1 by root 3 is equal to 3 into 1 by root 3 the whole square minus 1. So 3 into 1 by 1 square is 1 and root 3 the whole square will become 3 minus 1. So here again 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So P of 1 by root 3 is 0. So therefore 1 by root 3 is the 0 of polynomial. So I repeat, for this kind of question you have to substitute the given x value in the polynomial, and after solving, if you get 0, then it is a given value is the 0 of the polynomial, else it is not the 0 of the polynomial. So our next question is find the 0 of the polynomial. So unlike the previous questions, we haven't been provided with any x value. So here we have to find x value which has to be the 0 of the polynomial. So now let us learn how to find the 0 of the polynomial. So my first question is P of x is equal to x plus 5. So now let us consider x plus 5 is equal to 0. So it is more similar to solving an algebraic equation. So to find x, what you will do is you will take this 5 to the other side. So x is equal to minus 5. Now this is your value. So now you have to substitute this in the place of x, and if you get the answer to be 0, then yes, this is the 0 of the polynomial. So now let us check. So P of minus 5 is equal to minus 5 plus 5. So answer is 0. So yes, what we have got is right. Therefore 0 of P of x, that is the polynomial, is minus 5. So this is our answer, and this is how we solve and find the 0 of the polynomial. Now let us look into our second example, where your P of x is equal to cx plus t. So here we have multiplication over here and addition over the next term. So first step, cx plus d is equal to 0. Consider it as 0. Now take this d to the other side. So cx is equal to minus d. Now since it is multiplied over here, when you take the c to the other side, it becomes in the division. So x is equal to minus d by c. So this is our 0 of the polynomial. Now what you are going to do is we are going to check if this satisfies our condition. So P of minus d by c is equal to c into minus d by c plus d. So this c and c will get cancelled. So we are left out with minus d plus d, which is nothing but 0. So therefore minus d by c is the 0 of polynomial. So I repeat, it is first step is to consider the expression is equal to 0. Now you will take it to the other side and we will solve accordingly, and we will find out the x value. So once you derive with the x value, you have to substitute it again in the question and check if you get 0. So okay students, so we have learnt about the polynomials, 0 of the polynomial, how to find the value of polynomial, and how to find the 0 of the polynomial. So in next class we will learn about remainder theorem and solve the questions based on it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.